What is up, guys? I have another video for you guys. It's of my intake manifold that I'm going to be running for my Mazdaspeeds 6. Now this intake manifold is one of 20 in the whole world. So you know it's crazy. I don't want to say how much I spent on this because I spent way too much. I kind of feel bad because it's a pretty penny for sure. But before I show you guys the intake manifold, will you please hit that like button? It'll help this video get bigger. It'll help me make a little bit more money. Then I can buy some crazier parts for my Mazdaspeeds 6. So it'll really help you guys out. You can see some crazier shit, but this intake manifold is absolutely insane. Now, let me show you guys this beast. It's fully billet, made from 2 pieces of aluminum. As you can see, it's pretty insane. Like, look at that. It also is a bottom mount, so it has the port. Of course, this is the port for the throttle body. It has that right on the bottom, so it's gonna be sitting like this on the engine. My intercooler piping will have to go straight down, but it is absolutely insane, guys. Now this intake manifold was, of course, CNC machined from 2 pieces of aluminum, just 2 huge blocks. You can see right here, it's attached all the way down just by some bolts. And then of course, you can see on the top, I have this fuel rail right here for my 8th port injection. Now let me pull the fuel rail off so I can show you guys the ports for the injectors. So on the intake manifold, as you guys can see right here, it has these ports, and those are for extra injectors. So I'm gonna be running 4 extra injectors for 8th port injection, fuel injection of course, and hopefully this will help me make a lot more power. Now on pump gas, I'm looking at 450 to 500 wheel horsepower. That's my goal. And then on E85, probably about 550 wheel horsepower. Now this intake manifold could support any amount of power you could possibly imagine, 800 wheel easily, but it's just a really nice piece, and I care about my engine bay a lot, so I'm hoping this will really make my engine bay stand out. I don't know anyone else that runs this. I haven't seen any other videos on YouTube, so I'm pretty excited to be running this. Now of course my engine will be done in a few days. Well, who am I kidding? Not in a few days. It'll probably be like another month or so. But hopefully my engine will be done soon. I can finally install that in my Mazdaspeeds 6. I've been porting my head on my Mazdaspeeds 6, opening it up, you know, making it look really nice. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my head once it's ported, and I'm gonna show you how to port it. That'll be in my next video. And then after that one, I'll probably post the exhaust manifold video, because I got a new exhaust manifold for my Mazdaspeeds 6. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Now I'm gonna be installing this intake manifold as soon as my engine is done. I didn't want to put it on my stock engine. I just wanted to finish everything all at once. So I will be putting it on and installing it, and of course doing a video on that very soon. But it just takes so long, as you guys could imagine, to build these cars with collecting all the parts. Honestly, that is what takes so long, just trying to find the correct parts that you need. I'm gonna need a fuel system still, but I think I have everything for my engine. Now let me show you guys the fuel rail that I just barely pulled off of this beast. Let me show you one last time though, the intake manifold in all of its glory. It's pretty insane, guys. I'm extremely hyped on this. Fully billet, guys. Fully billet. Isn't that pretty crazy though? I'm super excited, and like I said, it's made by 16W Fabworks. And no, you cannot purchase, whoops, sorry, I hit you guys, but no, you cannot purchase this intake manifold ever again. It's already been made. There's about there's about 20 still in the world. I have one of 20, and it's gonna be expensive for you guys to find one. So just buy a JMF intake manifold. It's basically the same, except a JMF is made out of sheet metal and it doesn't look nearly as pretty. But this is the fuel rail. It's of course just a black fuel rail, and it says 16W Fabworks right there. It mounts right on top of the intake manifold, right here. And that's what it looks like. But as always, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you already have it, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.